So I'm here with Pat at Intralogistics. Pat, pleasure to see you. Gorgeous stand. Tell us about yourself and about Intralogistics itself.
Thank you very much. My name's Pat Cieri and I'm the Managing Director of Intralogistics Australia. Really happy to be here as part of CeMAT. The Intralogistics brand is very alike in our industry. We're very proud to be here as displaying our equipment and mainly to support our customer base. We very much interact with system integrators and OEMs, and we find that the show brings us all together, not only on business occasions, but also to share our partnerships and our relationships. And sometimes we say we enjoy what we do, so we like to have a little bit of fun in our business.
Fantastic, Pat. Now, talking about partnerships and relationships, I've heard that you've just partnered with SCLAA. Tell us about that.
Again, extremely excited. Again, our brand unites us to come together. We feel we have a special place and we like to grow our business, and we find the association enables us to grow our business through their customers in our association. We come all together and we're really looking forward in the next couple of years to see how we bring that together even better today.
Great, and to kick it off, I understand you're one of the gold sponsors of the upcoming Supply Chain Awards too, right?
It's the first time, but not the only time. I think we'll do this for a long time, where we bring all our people together in the night, and we're part of the industry. We have an extremely strong brand in the industry, so we feel that together we can make a better business between both of us.
Fantastic news. Now, it's gorgeous equipment, and I can see how it benefits so many companies, small, medium, large, right across the supply chain. So how have you found CeMAT? What have you found so far in the last few days?
We find that building relationships in our business is extremely important. The way that we go to market is through a network of partners, and we call them OEMs and system integrators. However, we like to brand to the end user, so we go to the end user and we make recommendations and specifications. So together we put the right model together to help our customers grow their business through the associations that we make with the system integrators and the OEMs here in Australia. This show brings us together, and for that reason this is why Intralogistics is here today.
Congratulations, Pat. As I said, it's a gorgeous stand and so many people walking by, looking past and wanted to have a chat with you and the team. So congratulations on that.
Right.
And looking forward to seeing much more of Intralogistics at some of the SCLAA awards and events, but also right across Australia.
We would like to brand ourselves together with everybody in the industry. We're well respected and we respect our customers and even our suppliers. And we also acknowledge our competitors in the field. We believe that together we can make Australian industry a lot better, bringing in technology and working together no matter where we are. At Intralogistics we say that we make materials handling very much sustainable first. So we talk about our suppliers, how sustainable they are. We talk about our conveyors and material sustainability. We like to make it simple, secondly, and thirdly, we like to enjoy what we do at the end of the day, and that's why we like to think that we have a place in this market.
Well, sounds like a perfect organisation to work with, and the collaboration and respect that you talked about, I'm sure is really appreciated by all the stakeholders, internal and external.
It is. It's very important as we're a global footprint, a global company, and we are a major player, so we like to help our customers grow their business through our business of Intralogistics.
Yeah. Wonderful. Thanks for joining us on Import Export TV, Pat. And as I said before, we'll be looking forward to seeing much more of Intralogistics in the future.
And we like to be here again, and very nice to chat at this stage. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Pat.
Thank you very much.
So, cheers.
Great.